Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to showcase a future-ready beast that's redefining high-end performance, the Panorama XL Gaming PC Desktop. Before diving in, make sure to check the link in the description to get this monster at the best available price today. Let's dive into why this machine is setting a new benchmark for 2025 gaming desktops. Collision emoji, insane performance specs. This rig is loaded with the latest Intel 24-core i9-14900KF processor, delivering lightning-fast speeds for gaming, editing, streaming, and more, all without breaking a sweat. Whether you're into heavy multitasking or high FPS gaming, this CPU won't slow you down. Video game emoji, next-level graphics power. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080, this desktop is VR-ready and 4K capable, giving you ray-traced graphics, DLSS 3 support, and future-proofed performance for years. Every game and creative workflow runs buttery smooth, maxed out, and ultra-detailed. Rocket emoji, unmatched memory and storage. With 96GB DDR5 RAM, multitasking is taken to a new level. And not just one, but 2 Gen4 NVMe SSDs means ultra-fast boot times and more than enough space for all your games, software, and projects. Meridian globe emoji, connectivity and design. Wi-Fi 6E for blazing wireless speeds. HDMI, USB-C, DisplayPort, and all the ports you need. Windows 11 Pro pre-installed and optimized for performance. And yes, the full RGB tower case is a visual treat with airflow to match. Ice emoji, best use case? If you're a hardcore gamer, content creator, 3D artist, or even into AI workloads, this desktop was built for you. It's a future-ready investment. White checkmark emoji, final thoughts. The Panorama XL Gaming PC Desktop is one of the most powerful pre-built systems of 2025, blending cutting-edge specs with aesthetic design and absolute performance. If you're looking to level up your game, this is the rig to get. Right pointing finger emoji, check the link below to secure your setup today at the best possible price.